Tango 21, Mr. Chippie copy.
21, receiving you, loud and clear.
Ah, right, I think we've got a Duff speaker on this one, so I'm going to plug it into the extension speaker socket. Having quite a spate of Duff speakers, aren't we? That's why we do these tests, because we can't tell that on a test set. Okay, let's have another bit of a chat.
Yeah, roger that, receiving you loud and clear.
Yeah, spot on there.
Right then, we're just coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. It's interesting that 2 out of the 3 radios in this batch need new speakers.
Yeah, well, if they get used in a loud environment and people have got to run them at full blast, this is what happens.
That's it. We had this with taxis, didn't we, with Kenwood sets?
Yeah, absolutely. Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at the service station.
Roger. Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that. Got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford Road.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mississippi, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford, and this radio, which is a Maxcom 4E, he's doing a full 4 watts over.
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing Kelby Turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. I'm glad you remembered today.
Yeah, it's been a while, so, you know, it's been easier for them, isn't it? Right, we're now passing the Greyleys Turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. Roger, got you going over Rawsby Level Crossing, and also known as I've forgotten already, Level Crossing, Greyleys. That concludes the test. Thank you.
Yeah, roger that.
10-10. Okay. Well, it's a Maxcom 4E. They're very reliable. They're always, especially as receive goes, they're not exactly remarkable in performance, but they're competent, and they are a set that you could pull out of a batch, and in this case was the only set which wouldn't have worked in some way. So yeah, it needs a new speaker. We'll address that, and we'll go over to our base station and see how it sounds on our replacement mic.
Tango 21 testing the customer's Maxcom 4E with a replacement standard microphone into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, and thanks for watching.